I'm Amy Golay, and this is my biggest challenge video. First of all, I want to say congratulations to all of my classmates. We did it. It's done. I hope to see some of you at graduation this week. I am so excited, and I feel so proud of myself for everything I accomplished, especially this semester, and I truly feel like we should all feel very proud of ourselves for everything we accomplished, because it was stinking hard, and being a professional and having to do, your regular job and everything else that life throws at you on top of all the requirements of master classes, it was really challenging, and so hats off to all of us. Biggest challenge. So during the program, really the logistics of it is time management. And I know as I was listening to some of your videos already before I recorded, that was a very common thing. I'm not very good at time management when it comes to online coursework. I wasn't very good undergrad either, so going into my master's I was very worried about that because I am a procrastination queen. But with an end goal in sight, I knew I needed to get it done. So overall, for the whole master's program, that's kind of where I was. For the practicum, my biggest challenge was the professional development plan, and I was talking about that with Dr. Becking during my comps, just because I underestimated how much time it was going to take to write up the PDP, and I underestimated how much thought and detail goes into it. So kudos to those techies out there in the districts that actually have to do that regularly, because that was not fun. That was my biggest challenge for sure. Going forward, my biggest challenge with just implementing the ISTE standards with my with my coworkers and my own classroom. So I'm currently a first grade teacher. I have one-to-one iPads, but next year I'm actually moving to kindergarten, and so there's going to bring whole new challenges there. I'm very pro tech ed, and so it's going to be interesting for me to see how I can appropriately integrate technology into a kindergarten classroom. And it's just that constant battle of trying to convince certain coworkers that, technology is not scary. It is beneficial to our students, and there's a healthy habit or a healthy balance between using an iPad and, paper pencil. You just kind of have to find that balance. And I think that's always going to be an issue that everyone will face, because you're always going to have those naysayers who just are stuck in their ways of no, technology is bad. So I think that's always going to be a challenge, but I think that the ISTE standards are really going to help with the convincing of them to implement technology into the classroom, seeing that, no, this is actually linking to a standard that students should be accomplishing. So, those are my biggest challenges. Like I said, congratulations to everyone, and I hope to see and meet most of you at graduation this week. See ya!